The United States Supreme Court heard 2 cases today on the Biden administration's student loan forgiveness program. Cases Biden versus Nebraska et al. And the Department of Education versus Myra Brown et al. Now, at stake, $400 billion in student debt that was set to be forgiven by President Biden and the Department of Education. That would help up to 40 million Americans, and they could see up to $20,000 in student loans canceled. However, 2 groups filed suit to stop this. The plaintiffs, one group led by 6 Republican states, they argue that Biden and the Department of Administration, the Department of Education, do not have the power, do not have the authority to forgive this debt. The other suit was brought by 2 individual students, Myra Brown and Alexander Taylor. Myra Brown has $17,000 in private student loans and debt. Taylor has $25,000 in student debt. And they brought their suit because they say it's just not fair. It's not fair to them. And they were backed by a conservative group led by the man who used to own or run Home Depot, right-wing conservative. That's why I don't shop at Home Depot anymore. Believe me, I used to love to go there, but forget it. Okay, the Supreme Court is conservative, or majority are conservative, and they were really leaning toward, yes, it's just not fair. It's just not fair. So they won't hand down their decision until July 1st is when the court begins releasing its decisions. And then students will have 2 months to start paying down their debt again if this fails at the Supreme Court, and it doesn't look good. However, I'm also hearing that the Biden administration has a plan B and a plan C, which we need. We need a plan D and F and G, all the way down. On my website, I have posted a little post, but here's the juicy stuff. I downloaded the audio of the arguments, and I have transcripts there. So the audio is on the homepage, but if you go into the story, I've got transcripts as well, so you can listen to the audio and read along. It's like a nerd's dream come true. I'm Gloria Moraga. We need to vote. If we'd all voted for Hillary, we wouldn't be suffering like this. Yes, I think it's fair that student debt be forgiven because we forgave small business loans and debts because of the pandemic. And they're making the same argument here. You can listen to the arguments. The Biden administration lawyer is pretty darn good.